Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can trade cards in Monopoly Go. By trade card I mean how you guys can send card to your friend. So it's pretty simple. So first what you want to do is click on the album icon at the bottom right of your screen. Once you click on the album icon, it's going to show you all the cards you have. You want to choose the card you want to send. Once you click on the card you want to send, it's going to show you the variety of the card. You want to choose the card which you want to send. After you click on the card you want to send, at the bottom it's going to show an option called send to friend. Click on it. Once you click on send to friend, it's going to show you a list of your friend which is going to be under Monopoly Go. You want to choose the friend's name to whom you want to send the card. Right beside your friend's name there is going to be a send button. Click on it and the card will be sent to your friend. And that is basically how you guys can send card to your friend. And once your friend receives the card, they can send you a card as well. And that is basically what trading is, giving them card and them giving you card. So I hope you understand how you guys can trade card in Monopoly Go. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.